Today we are going to make a little Easter greeting that you could give to a friend who crochets. I got 3 of these opening little chicks, so I could make 3 greetings like that. The same idea, of course, would work any time of the year. And you can get these in different kinds of hobby stores in any shapes, like at Christmas time there are Christmas trees. The idea of what we are going to do is the same what I did before Christmas for a gift in a jar, but then it was a large jar. But now we are going to put things into this here egg-shaped little chick. So it means that you, for instance, you could not put a crochet hook into this. So we can only go for the very small things. But I'm going to give you ideas what you could fill it with. If you have watched my videos in the recent months, you know that this scenery is very different. No tropical birds in the background, nor even daffodils. I'm back in Finland now, and as you can see, the snow is slowly going away, but it's going to be another month before anything grows. And it is, of course, always easier to do it at home, where I have a designated space for talking. I have all the proper equipment instead of having to start from scratch, trying to find a place where you can film from above when I'm showing my hands. At the same time, I'm so glad that I have this kind of a job that I enjoy and that allows me to travel and continue working. So let's start filling this. Here we have quite a few different suggestions that you could put into it. First of all, here all different kinds of stitch markers. Then cute buttons, taken out of the pack of course. Safety pins. If the person it's for makes crochet jewelry, you could put findings, like this is for a ring and that's for earrings. Then reflective thread, needles of any kind. Here I have also Susan Bates finishing needles, only the biggest one won't fit into that. I have a video about using them. Then you could crochet some cute things like tiny hearts. A small nail file, necessary. Could put a sewing kit into it. Tiny piece of a tape measure to be used as a key ring. Then little tags. This says made for you. And these are 2 different types, 2 different sizes of row counters. And you could use these little travel containers to put high quality hand cream in. And then you could have some labels made in their name. This is an old one of mine, not even my present name, but the idea, or by ready-made ones that say, for instance, made for me by Mamma Mia or whatever. Something else you could do would be to get your friend a crochet pattern, create a QR code to it, and print it out on a piece of cardboard. So let's see now how many of these I can get into this here. So here's what it looks like when it's been filled. Like that there. I trust you got some ideas from this for Easter or for next Christmas or for birthdays or for whatever. What other small crochet related things would you think of putting into something as small as this? Please tell me in the comments. Till next time!